Are you struggling with your filmmaking education and videography business? You don't know how to stand out from the competition and don't know how to attract your prospective customers. You don't know how to generate more and more lead and also conversion of those leads into customers. Then this funnel clarity challenge is for you. Hi dear listeners, this is Moshumi Maiti from Moshumi Studio. I have decoded here a master filmmaker business funnel. This is my funnel 1 clarity challenge. So my niche is here providing digital marketing services specializing on Facebook ads and funnel building for filmmaking education and videography business owner in filmmaking and videography industry. How I decoded their business funnels? I have used here 5 steps, and all these 5 steps are Facebook ad, landing page, lead magnet, sales pitch or offer, nurture emails and retargeting ads, sales focused emails and ads with scarcity. I have decoded their brilliant funnel in all these steps. Now let's get started with their Facebook ads and copy of Master Filmmaker. After the brand name Master Filmmaker, they have addressed their targeted audience, that is videographers. Their targeted audience are actually filmmakers or videographers. They have mentioned the pain points. Their pain points are most of the videographers don't know the client's requirements. Clients don't want cheaper videos. Second, client wants more valuable videos. But the point is that if videographers know how to produce more valuable videos, third problem is communication. Most of the videographers don't know how to communicate properly. Maybe their video services are really well, but they don't know how to market their services. And next, this is their video ad copy, where the headline is I will pay you in exposure, and there is a smiling face, a smiling emoji. This is a promise. Here exposure is not the exposure of camera. Actually, meaning is here they want to help videographers to expose their work in the right way to get client. Next, here is the video ad copy breakdown, and here is their video. And after that, in this area, this is their description part area, and where they have mentioned their website, and they have mentioned which training they are provided. Actually, they are providing free training how we built a six-figure video business. This is the content in this video, and it's time to get paid what you worth. And they are making a promise, which is it's time to get paid with your work, with your worth. Actually, they are giving value their customers worth. And then this is their call to action part. So this is their Facebook ads and copy of master filmmaker. And now this is their video structure breakdown. And this is 1.1 minute 18-second video ad. First ad copy breakdown. They are making a promise to their potential client, and to a potential client you are making three big mistakes that. So they are now introducing their problem, actually their potential clients problem, or before state. This is their before state, and after that they are describing the problem one by one. First, you are not solving a pain point. They are addressing their prospective customers that this is their mistake number one, they are not solving a pain point of their customers. So they are one thing, this is Mr. Eric Tiran, and he is the host of this video. He is the host, and he is talking about that bigger the point, uh, where bigger the point pain point is, and bigger the problem is, and there bigger the paycheck. So after that, they are he is addressing second problem, not using a repeated repeatable framework, not using a repeatable framework. And after that, he is stating that, where do I start, which was tons of times and gets you no results. Actually, all these things are the pain points of their prospective customers. And after that, this is their third point, not properly pricing your projects. Actually, not properly pricing his prospective customers' projects. He is addressing that. And undercharging is a great problem. And after that, introducing their product or solution. And this is a kind of tripwire, which is mentioning a six-figure production company, video production company. And after that, description about their product, which is overview of filmmaker sales blueprint. So Mr. Eric Duran has a blueprint of a successful business of a videography or filmmaker business. So after that, he is providing a free lesson, which is I have previously called, this is a tripware. And free lesson limited time. This is for limited time only. He has mentioned it in this section. And after that, he is this is their call to this is his call to action part. Land your next client tomorrow. This is a great call and get great promise also. And he is so much confident that from this free lesson, what one can gain, mm, what one can gain, he is mentioning that one can gain a policy from by applying the successful policy. One can land his next client tomorrow. So this is the clear call to action part. Click below. So I can say that systematically they have created this ad. The host, Mr. Eric Duran, is talking in this video. Headline is Big Promise, and then there is all the pain points which he has mentioned, and which he has mentioned, and then they have embedded their product and free workshop lessons to solve their problem. So this is like a tripwire. Next, this is their landing page. If I click on it, then I go to their next page, landing page. Here they are clearly talking about their tripwire. First line, free limited edition training. And after that, this line is written in bold. How we built a six-figure video business. So this is a trigger, make money point of surviving and thriving rule. So human eye and brain cannot avoid this ad copy, because they are mentioning here about money. This is a trigger. Then they have embedded three pain points in red color. This sentence look like caution or warning type, something danger type that create a sense in our mind, because there is a cross sign. Because there is cross sign, red color and words are talking about vital problems of videography business. Then there is a image section, which is they have embedded an image which is communicating a videographer's job in a set. Then call to action part, here is their call to action part. Access the case study now. If I click on it, they asking my name and email ID, and they are showing after that. uh, in the next part they are showing their business growth, which is next they are claiming their average client makes their dollar in their first 31 days with their client supporting experiences, which they have shared here. These are actually testimonials and or social proof for master filmmaker. They are showing after state of their uh, after state of their clients by solving their problems or pain points. They want to say here these clients have used their master filmmakers blueprint of videography business or filmmaking business, then their implementation of their blue of their blueprint, and they have scaled their prospective customers business, and they are upselling their business and earning a huge amount of money, and they are happy now. This is picture is this is the picture which is showing that as a digital marketer, I know that these are triggering cortisol first, then endorphin as a happy chemical is triggering here. Then call to action part to which then there is a call to action part to watch the training to watch the training. Next, this is their lead magnet. This ad is the lead magnet. If we submit our name and email ID or go to their next page, we will get this free video lesson. This is a blueprint how we build a six-figure video business. How to scale your video business to six figures. This 35-minute 45-second video copy is here. Host Mr. Eric Duran is discussing on lot of things here, like big issues of this business or Mr. Duran's own journey or growth, some case studies, 24 into 7 hours marketing machine opportunities, etc. Just uh, he has given an outline on these topics. After that, there is a call to action part. Apply now to see if you qualify. If I click on it, the description about the application is here. There is also a free jot form. This is also a lead magnet. This is also a lead magnet. Then call to action part, either start or go back to your training. If click on start, they are embedded total 14 questions to qualify the prospective customers. They have sent all this application portion in the email in the name of Filmmaker Sales Blueprint. This is their email. Then they have embedded this chart where they give the links of all of their free and paid products, and their this is their filmmaker sales blueprint, and after they have embedded their free and paid products, they are mentioning here watch my free content on YouTube and learn everything about filmmaking. Sign up for the master filmmaker pro course and learn how to craft and editing cinematic video. Get your creative business bundle for proven treatments and templates. Apply to work with me one on one. Shop our extensive library of filmmaking assets and effects. So they have embedded all their value added services, whether it is paid or not paid. They have embedded all these things here, and this is their sometimes this is free content on YouTube, and sometimes they are pro course, and sometimes this is their business bundle for proven treatments and templates, and this is sometime this is their business policy one on one, and sometime this is for their education purpose filmmaking assets and effects of library of filmmaking assets and effects. So this is their this is one kind of sales pitch, and After that, after that we can watch here their sales pitch or offer. Here they have they sent me a email where the headline is 16K dollar project with no gear, and this is a question mark, and no gear. And this is creating a curiosity, I think, because everyone will think without gear 16K dollar project is possible. Then there is a video testimonials, then the body text, first three lines are pain points. First three lines, it seems to that someone will not invest $12,000 or $16,000 for a 90-second video without filming. It can be present using stock footages. According to this ad copy, no need expensive camera gear, which is nothing but a false rumor of camera companies. They are giving solution by saying how to sell and market yourself. They are promising that whatever skill you will learn from master filmmaker will be your lifetime achievement, which will never break like camera gear. So when you learn marketing skill, it will stay with you forever. This is a great promise, I think, isn't it? Again, the link of the above testimonials have been attached here. At last, they are introducing. They are introducing their core product by saying, so if you want to learn how to market and sell your video business, so you can scale to the moon, and click here to schedule a free strategy call. This is nothing but the application that I have discussed in detail in the lead magnet. Now this is the call to action part. I think this is an effective and useful ad copy where they are talking about their customers' pain points most of the time. Then the real story or solution of a videographer Matthew will help to build your trust. This is a nice sales pitch or offer, I think. After that, I am getting here their nurture email and retargeting ad. They are sending their retargeting ad to me on a daily basis. In one of these ads, I found this ad copy. Master filmmaker looking for three video business owners. This is their ad copy. This is their ad copy. Hey Moushumi Maiti, I am looking to partner with three video business owners who are hungry for growth and ready to take their video business to six figures right now. Host Mr. Eric is offering a partnership business for three video business owners who are hungry for growth and ready to take the video business to six figures right now. As a digital marketer, I can understand that Mr. Eric is triggering liking or of six principle of persuasions by saying partnership business, where Eric wants to hold the hand of the prospect, and here neurochemical oxytocin is triggering. Then scarcity is triggering by saying that he will choose only three video business owners. He is triggering make money and of surviving and thriving rule by saying to build a six figures video business. Without wasting time, Eric is calling to take action by the word right now. In the second line, again he is promising to work personally with the prospect. He is promising to put clients' acquisition systems in place and fix what the prospects offering to clients and to help to charge significantly more. In the third line, pain points, if the prospect still is struggling, and then Eric here can help them. Then link to fill up the form disclaimer to fill up the form, and after that there is the disclaimer, free training link. Below there is a chart of the whole program once again. I have discussed it in lead magnet portion. So each and every line of the nurture email is great sell technique of their product. Their motto is to convert leads into customers. Only one thing seemed to me that this is nothing new. There is nothing new in their value-added services in the form of knowledge, but their copywriting technique and choice of words are really good and different in each email. Now, this is their sales focused emails and ads with scarcity. Focused emails and ads with scarcity, so their headline is a hook that will insist the prospect to open this email. Scarcity of discount. Last call. Discount is expired. So scarcity of discount time period is triggering here. This ad has been created to sell the ultimate business kit for creators. They are giving an opportunity to the prospect to save money by compete by completing the order process. They are creating a genuine scarcity by saying that this offer will close tonight and will not be opened for another 2 months. They are also informing that they have limited number of spots at the price point, and Mr. Eric need to close out some orders so others have a chance to get their spot. So if the prospect is really interested, then this is the prospect's last chance. Then there is call to action part. This is a good ad copy of scarcity. They are focusing on only one thing, so power of one is visible here. With scarcity, they are triggering save money also by giving discount. So, dear listeners, this is my video. This is my video presentation of filmmaking and videography business niche. Hope this is useful to you. Please comment below. Your valuable comments are needed for betterment. Thank you for watching.